Welcome to the Oregon Coast YouTube Creator Meetup 2028. We decided to have it at the beautiful KOA campground in Waldport, Oregon, for a number of reasons. It has a nice little clubhouse that we can convert and use how we need to. Got a big TV, it's got a nice couch, it's got table space, we can serve food, all that stuff in there. When you start going around the park, over here on the left, we have these cute little camping cabins. They have a beautiful view, but they don't have a bathroom. So you would either bring your own bucket or walk. It's not that far. It's not a very big campground. You don't have to walk too far to get to a bathroom, but there is room to sleep for, and it does come with bedding. It also has a mini fridge, a microwave, and a TV. Something I really liked about these RV lots is that there's privacy between each of them. They've got these hedgerows of hawthorn. The deluxe cabin, these are beautiful view cabins, views of the bay and the bridge. And then you've got other kinds of cabins. Now, these little deluxe cabins, they have a full bath. I'll have some pictures of another one here in a minute. Sorry, I thought I sped up all of the driving. Here it is. Here, this one also has a deluxe patio out front where it's got a table and chairs and all that kind of jazz. You can see there's a few people here at this time of year, but it's not super busy. Of course, it's April. Beautiful 2 bedroom deluxe cabin. The layout isn't quite the same as that, but the other one might be. This is the one I saw. You go in the front, it's got a futon, nice little kitchen. It does have a cooktop, but no stove or no oven. Nice double bed in the bedroom, and then full length mirror, shelving. Nice bathroom, full size bathroom in this cabin, so that's nice too. Like I said, it's got everything you need, even a blow dryer. And then you can see there's the bunk beds there tucked away. And again, all the bedding is supplied at this KOA campground. So that is a huge, huge bonus as far as I'm concerned anyway. These little cabins up to the left, these are again camping cabins. They're a little 2 room cabin. Beautiful flowers in the front. And the cutest little swing on all of them. Cutest little porch swing. I love that. Nice view of the bay. You can see the bridge from some of them. And again, just a little cabin. Microwave, fridge, TV. And I don't know, those might not have been the 2 room cabins. I gave you the, yeah, anyway, sorry if they're not. Okay, so in front of me, this is one of the other group areas. So this is kind of the outdoor area. It's got a fire pit and a big lawn there, and then room where uh, there's stories about that. We'll get into that during some of our lives. But yeah, you can see they can set up tables there and chairs and all that stuff. Unfortunately, the phone booth does not work. But we also have a kids' playground in case you're bringing your kids. It is a dog-friendly park. There are 6 of these bathrooms in the central area, plus laundry should you want to do it. And look at the cute little tiny stop signs. Those are just adorable. Only a couple of them in the park, but we had a little laugh about that. And here we are back at the entrance. And I think they just haven't changed that arrow. At least I hope not. But this is the way out. And yeah, so we hope to see you at the Oregon Coastal Chaos Tour in Waldport. It's going to be in September of 2028, hosted by Lorrie's World Kenny Ortiz and Milk and Honey Heritage Farm.